Hey everyone, so one of my previous videos, somebody asked me what have I been doing to grow back out my edges. If you haven't seen that video, I did a relaxer update and I was giving y'all an update on like a bit of breakage that I had around my whole front perimeter, and I was showing y'all the progress that it's making. Some of y'all were asking me down in the comments how I'm working on growing it back out and what I'm doing. If you haven't seen the video, I'll make sure to link it. But basically, y'all know my channel is simple. Y'all know my channel is simple. And like, I know people be looking for a magical answer, a magical product, a magical regimen. Let me tell you what I've been doing. Nothing. I've been doing absolutely nothing to my edges except leaving them alone. Sometimes we get so wrapped up in what to do to fix a problem that we start doing too much. Like sometimes the answer be to do nothing. Just don't even do nothing. So what I've been doing, nothing to my edges. I have not been messing with them. One of the things I've been doing is keeping tension off of my edges. So like trying to avoid anything that might be tight or pulling in that area. I've been doing, y'all know I love my flexi rise, and flexi rise is a hairstyle where you can let your hair be loose, but at the same time it's like a low manipulation hairstyle because you don't have to like try to fix it every day. It's kind of like, you know, the curls will last a few days before you need to really do something to it. So flexi rise have been helpful with my edges. And also, this don't apply to everybody, but for me, gel helps. Like y'all know my hair breakage story from a few years ago. If you haven't seen that, I'll try to leave that linked as well. But the way I grew my hair back from that severe breakage, when my hair was like that long, I use gel. But everybody can't use gel because some people are like super protein sensitive, and gel will actually help to break their hair off even more. But for me, yeah, the protein from that gel, just like having my hair gelled down or back or braided or twisted with the gel on there, that kind of helped to keep me from having to manipulate that area. So it helps. So anyway, back to what I'll do a lot, because y'all know I also love to do my buns up here. Like I need to start doing some new hairstyles, but y'all know I be in a little rope doing the same things. But y'all know I like to do my little top knot buns. And what I'll do is I'll gel all of my hair up, and I'll leave it that way for about 5 days before it's time for me to take it down and wash it. But having it up like that helps me to not mess with my edges because they're like gelled down in place. So those are two things I've been doing: gelling it up or doing like flexi rise. Sometimes I do like flat twists or something like that. Every blue moon I do flat twists. But other than that, I've just been leaving my edges alone. Like seriously. I also thought about another thing, like when I put my bonnet on at night. Like, you know, the bonnet that has the thick elastic and then it has the loose, like, you know, what your hair go in. I was thinking about that thick band elastic might be causing friction on my edges. I kind of thought about that. So another thing that I've been doing, I've been putting a wrap cap on before I put my bonnet on. So the wrap cap acts as like a protective barrier where the thick elastic on the hair bonnet won't be like rubbing my edges. So I kind of thought about, doing that more often or whatever. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.